There he goes.
He don't stop for a while. Chewbacca can't catch him. Well, he was clean for about 10 minutes. Here he comes. Y'all can't catch him. Y'all can't catch him. Not even if you cheat, you can't catch him, Wiz. He does like a cat. He waits and then he pounces. Now we got the standoff. That was going to happen. Here he goes. I can't even keep up with him with the camera. Oops. Where'd he go? Where'd he go?
Where'd he go, Chewy?
Probably back there decided to stop and go to the bathroom. There he is. There he is. He said, nobody can catch me. Nobody can catch me. I'm the Sinbad man.